guys, I just did the rest of like all the eyes and the everything. All the eyes and the everything in my new movie, Sundance Film Festival. I just did that over in another video that is going to be probably up, before this one for sure. And that is a Get Ready With Me that I just did. So if you guys wanna see how I did it, really simple. Today, I am testing out the Tirtir Cushion Foundation. Now, never realized it was made for mask wearing. Did you guys know that? Probably everyone did because this foundation is so old. Everybody's been using this for such a long time. This is not new. It's new to me though. And I wanted to test it to see how it works on my skin. So if you have similar skin to me, or if you've liked my recommendations in the past, maybe this is the one for you. This is what it looks like here. It is called Mask Fit Red Cushion. I got the shade 22N Shell Beige. This is one that I got when I went to Ulta. If you guys remember, I did a shop with me video and you guys came to Ulta with me. We picked this one out and you know what? We're gonna see how it works. This is the packaging here. Gorgeous, honestly, kind of living. It comes with this little makeup application sponge, and honestly, these are pretty legit. I really like cushion foundations generally. So this is what the packaging looks like on the inside. You open it up like this, and then you've got your little, it opens up like this, and then you peel this guy off. Like that. And then you're gonna close this every time and your sponge goes back on here. So it all fits together and it stays together. But we're gonna see how this works. I'm gonna let you guys know what it cost at first. Tirtir Mask Fit Red Cushion Foundation, $24.81. And then the Glide and Hide Blurring Concealer, $15.88. So actually really reasonable in price compared to what I'm looking at on my receipt. The Beautiful Skin Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury was $51. Brother. Well, I did test that one out if you guys are wanting to know in another video, but I'm gonna have that link down in the description if you guys want to check that out. But today we're gonna test this out and see how this works. I'll do a wear test throughout the day. I will say right now it is already 2:30 p.m. because I'm not a good YouTuber or person. Who cares? It's fine. I'll probably be up till about 10 o'clock tonight, so we'll be able to test at least 8 hours wear. Taking a quick break to thank today's sponsor, Dreamy. I worked with them last month showing you guys their IPL hair removal device. I talked to you guys about this in one of my last videos. I want to start doing facials and like caring for myself in a different way. I've been trying all different kinds of things for the last year, and as I age, I'm really realizing I should have started this a lot sooner, but that's okay, I've got it now. Today what I'm going to be showing you guys is the Dreamy Corona Photon Anti-Aging Skincare Mask. I've been doing red light therapy, like when I had my wisdom teeth removed, I used red light therapy to help in the healing process, which is science-backed. We actually used to use red light therapy on post-operative animals, mainly cats, with pain and quicker wound healing. It really has real results that actually work. This one is really cool because it has these battery packs that go on the side of it that you can pre-charge, so you just have it anywhere, anytime. You need to go do chores, laundry, you want to lay in bed on your phone, you're doing whatever, a craft. You can be doing light therapy on your skin and it's easy, you're not plugged in, put on and go. I also love that the eye portion completely blocks out light from getting into your eyes. And so it's very comfortable to wear. You don't have any issues with light blaring in your eyes because it completely blocks it from hitting this eye area. It's got red light, near infrared light, blue light, yellow light, and green light. Different light wavelengths target different skin concerns. So like red light therapy. Red light can be really beneficial for wrinkles, fine lines. Blue light is really good for calming the skin and calming down any irritated spots. Green light is really good for sensitive skin. And yellow is really perfect for when you want to brighten, if your skin's feeling really dull. You have the combo, which I think is really cool too because it kind of combines them all, and that might be my favorite setting. Works for all skin types. It's got this controller which is really easy to use and you can just adjust everything right here. There's also timing modes. It has 280 piece energetic LED beads. You don't have to travel anywhere to get red light therapy. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. So there, you don't have to sit in traffic and you don't have to schedule appointments. You get multi-benefit treatment in one device too. So this can help with acne, anti-aging, calming the skin, recovery. Redness is my main issue. I'm a red lady and maybe I have rosacea. I'm not 100% sure. I've never been diagnosed because I honestly haven't gone to a dermatologist often, but I'm a very red skinned gal and that's fine. I don't really mind as much, but if I can help reduce that, I want to. It's super comfortable to wear, and because it is just grab and go, I'm way more likely to actually sit and use it. If it's gonna be something inconvenient for me, I'm not gonna do it. I don't know about you guys, but that's just me. Put it on, press the button, and go. If you guys are interested in checking out the Dreamy Chronophoton Anti-Aging Skincare Mask, I'm gonna have everything linked down in the description of today's video. You guys can save up to 40% off using code Kristi10CN at checkout. I just feel like their products are made so well and with people in mind. Do you know what I mean? It's like, sometimes things feel a little convoluted and like, why do they do it like this? Why is it so difficult? This doesn't feel difficult at all. It's like truly made for somebody who just wants to have good light therapy for their skin and not make it this big muss and fuss. And I thank you again so much to Dreamy for sponsoring today's video. And now we're gonna hop into a foundation review, which, spoiler alert, I'm not gonna spoil anything. You'll see for yourself. So you just dip this guy in here, and then it pulls up some product. And every time I've ever seen this used, it looks literally stunning. So here's what we're working with beforehand. Very red, lots of texture. Ooh, already out the gate. Holy crap, I was not expecting that coverage. Oh, wow. You guys didn't tell me. You didn't tell me about this. What the hell? What the hell? This coverage is crazy. That's one dip. One dip. What? What do you mean? What do you mean? This is one tap into this. What? I feel like I could do my whole face with one tap. I am absolutely blown away right now. My flabbers are gasted, okay? What? You guys knew this and never told me. Are we seriously talking about this right now? Are we seriously saying that one tap into this did my entire face and then some? Way too full coverage on this side. This is about the coverage I like. So I'm just gonna kind of blend it all out together and down my neck and everything. I'm in shock right now. Literally in shock. I see why this went viral. What? Coverage is next level. What? No need for a double dip because this is absolutely the most high coverage. What is this texture? Is this the most stunning thing I've ever put on my skin? What the I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know if I'll ever use another foundation. If this lasts well, if this holds up and is this simple to put on, this stunning to look at, that full coverage, what? You can't be serious. I don't know, and I would love to hear from you guys down in the comments. Given my first impression of this, the only thing I can imagine being a negative about this would be that it like wears out kind of quickly. But to be fair, so if it looks like this, wow, I've been missing out. I'm going back to Ulta. I'm gonna get you up close and personal right now, because I look at this. This is, I'm like mad about it. Low key, what do you fucking mean? It looks slightly yellow on me. I would say that I could go with a little bit of a different color, but in person it looks quite lovely. On camera, it's looking a lot more orangey and yellow, but it honestly, it looks stunning, truly stunning. I don't even, I can't with it. It's so beautiful. It's so luminous, easy application. The coverage. Okay, so for the concealer, I got 3W. This is the Glide and Hide Blurring Concealer. I believe it. I'm a convert, like immediate Tirtir convert. Like, what do you mean? Okay, so here's the packaging. This is interesting. Oh, it's a stick and a liquid. What? It's both. What? Am I in the Twilight Zone right now? What do you mean? I've never seen this before in my life. I purchased this? Dual concealer consisting of 2 types of stick and liquid provides dense, high coverage and makes skin look smooth and neat through the adherence without clumping. After applying an appropriate amount on the areas that need coverage, gently tap to even out the boundary. Stick concealer corrects wide areas and makeup lines. Liquid concealer corrects narrow areas and blemishes. Okay, well, I'm gonna do one on each side. Okay, we're gonna do a little stick here on the under eyes. I don't need a lot of coverage, if I'm honest. Like, I'm kind of, that really did everything I needed it to do. So we'll see up close what we're working with on that one. Looks good. Okay, let's try this one. It's really high coverage. I think I could have used less even, and I feel like I didn't use very much at all. All right, let's see how many shades it comes in. Let's check that. 40 shades. These are all the deep shades that we have here, and then it starts getting into like medium, fair, and then super light. So I would say it's an okay shade range, not fantastic, but not horrendous. $25, goodness gracious, it's really reasonable price. I mean, we're gonna see, but oh Lord, I feel surprised. I don't think I'm going to powder anything. I just kind of want to see how it goes on its own. I'm gonna tap out the under eyes a little bit, see how they react. I'm gonna remember that the right side was stick, left side was liquid. And I mean, after finishing, it is 2:48. So I'm gonna be back at the end of the day and show you guys how this wears. I'm gonna do the rest of my face in the other video just so I can like finish my cheeks and my bronzer and everything like that. But like, so far, holy shit. Like, what do you mean it's this beautiful? Like, immediate beauty, immediately gorgeous. Okay, so this is the finished face. Look, could it look better? Could I look better? Literally, I'm stunning. I'm sorry. And it's not just me, it's this makeup is gorgeous. Powder products went on top of it like a dream. Cream went on it like a dream. Highlighter like a dream. All of it is a dream. Tirtir. Why are you such a dream? I'm literally obsessed right now. Brother, if there was like one PR I could get, it might be this one. Because this is, so far, first impression, very impressed. Very impressed. Holy cow. So I will be back in a few hours to let you guys know what this is doing throughout the day. Like I said, I'm going to another person's house. I'm gonna go eat dinner. We're going to T-ball game. So I've got a busy day ahead of me. So yeah, I'll let you guys know. I'll be back. Okay. It's 11:30 p.m. Did kind of come off of this area a little bit. It looks really, really good. I have no complaints. Maybe a little bit like over applied. Honestly, I probably could have used less than one dab, but looking good. Editing Kristi here. Just the juxtaposition is just crazy. It's so good, you guys. I've worn it like 7 times since then. I'm telling you right now, worth every penny. It may not be the longest wearing foundation I've ever worn. However, it is beautiful and worth every single penny. The application could not be easier. The wear is beautiful. Everything about it, like I literally love everything about it. I love the applicator so much. I think it just goes on like a dream. The price is actually not too bad for a foundation, especially that you get at Ulta. There are a pretty decent amount of shades. I definitely need to go I think one shade lighter and one shade cooler. Like I want to go a little bit different, but other than that, like it's literally beautiful. I have no complaints. I've told every person that I know it's so good because my sister's been looking for a good foundation forever. It's the one. So first impression, very impressed. I literally think it's an absolutely amazing foundation. Concealer, I don't have any complaints either. How cool to have a stick and a liquid in one. I feel like they both work great. I feel like my makeup just looked stunning. I felt really pretty this day. And yeah, where there were some areas that it rubs off, those are areas that always rub off for me. I always have some areas that are rubbed off, specifically around my hairline. I touch my hair a lot. It's just a thing I do. And, you know, I ate dinner that night and wiped my face a million times. So even despite all of that, it held up perfectly great. So I'm going to give it a 10. And I highly recommend you try if you've been wondering. All right, I thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys are interested in seeing more videos from me, subscribe. I have lots of new makeup content coming. I've got so much going on. I'm very, very excited for just the new launches and just trying things out, trying new makeup techniques and all of it. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of that, subscribe, hit that like button, and follow along because it's fun here. I'm back to the fun old me. I'm done with the dumb old me. And I'm back to being who I want to be. I don't need to talk about this anymore. Holy shit, brother. But I just felt like I went through a minute there where I was just like, I'm just loving makeup again so much. All right, well, I thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you at my next video. Bye.